Hello guys, in this video we'll solve the problem first unique character in a string. This is one of the easy problem in LeetCode under the strings. Given a string, find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. So if it doesn't exist, return -1. So if we see the first example here, so the first character here is L and it is present only once. So we return the index of L, which is 0. So in the second one, if we see L is present twice, so we go to the next character O, which is also present twice. Then we go to the third character here V, so which is only present once in the string. So the index of V is 2, so we return 2. So whenever we see a question like which asks the count of the characters or the frequency, then we have to see we use a hash map. So here, even though it's not directly asked, we need count or frequency. So first unique in the sense we need to know the count here. So let's consider the example as ABD, ABC, so the string, and let's see how we can solve this. So we'll have a hash map here, okay, so which is of type character and string, int. So in this hash map we'll store all the frequencies. So we visit A here first, so it's not in the hash map, so we put this as with a frequency of 1. Next we go to B, so it's not present, so I put it with 1. Next I go to D, so it's not present, so I put it with 1. Then again A, so A is already present in the hash map, so I update this to 2. Then I go to B here, and B is already present, so I'll increment this to 2. Then I go to C, so I'll put the C as 1. And now we have this frequency map here. So next what we can do is we can again go another traversal here and see which is the character that's only present once. So I go to A here now and check here. So A is present twice, so I go to the next character B. So it's also present twice, so I go to the next character D. So this is present only once, so I return the index of D, which is 2. So but this input string, it may be very large, so the size of the string is not given, so it may be very large. But this hash map, so it can have only this 26 characters, so it's given in the problem. So this size is constant. So what else we can do is we can have two hash maps and one so okay, let's see how we can do that. So this is AB, what was the string here? ABD ABC, right? So yeah, I'll have two hash maps. So this one is a count hash map, this is the position hash map. So I go to A, right? So first, so A is not there in this hash map, so it is the first occurrence, right? So I'll put A as count as 1 and also put its index here, A as 0. Next I go to B, so I put B as 1 and also put its index B1. So next I go to D, so D also, it's not there, so I put it 1, and here I put this as 2, the index of D. Next I go to A, right? So it is already present, so I increment this to 2. But this is like position of first occurrence. So since it is already present, so I won't update this. So next I go to B, so I update this to 2. So since we are updating in this hash map, we won't do any modification because it has already occurred. This is the second occurrence. So this hash map, we keep it untouched. So next what else? C, right? So we go to C. And update this, so and C is 3. So now what we can do is I can go iterate through this entire hash map once, right? So I'll go to A, I'll have an index or result, so which is set to int max, and I'll go to A, so it is present twice, right? So this is not the unique one. Next I go to B, so it is present twice, not a unique one. Next I go to D, so this is present only once, right? So I'll go to the first occurrence here, it is present at second index. So now this second index is less than int max, right? So I'll update this to 2. Next I go to C, so this is also present only once. So but next if it is once, I'll check what is the position. So it is at third index. So now since it's greater than 2, I won't update this. So in the final end, you return this one, 2. So if this still is int max, right, then I didn't find any index, so I can return -1 or 0, whatever is mentioned in the question. So now we'll see how instead of using two hash maps, we can use simply two arrays and solve this problem. So the input is ABD, ABC. So what we can have here is I can have two arrays here. So count array and the position array. So these were the two hash maps that we had earlier. And so each of this from 0, it represents A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, something like this. So how we can obtain this is like each of this character in the string minus A. So this will give 0 for A, 1 for B, 2 for C, something like that. So this array will be initially 0. So when I go to A here, so and I'll also have the index or a result which is initialized to int max. So I go to A here, so the count is 0, right? So I'll increment this to 1. So and I'll also put the index here. So it's already 0, so it will be 0. So next I go to B, so the count is 0, so I'll update this to 1, increment this, and put the index here, 1. Next I go to D, so I update this to 1 and put its index 2 here. Next I go to A here, and I'll update this to 2. So since it's not the first occurrence here, because I'm updating 1 to 2 and not from 0 to 1, so I shouldn't be updating the position of first occurrence. So next I go to B here, so I update this to 2. Next I go to C here and increment this to 1. And since it's the first time I'm incrementing from 0 to 1, I have to update this position as well, so which is 5. So next what we do is we go through this entire array, okay? So this entire array, and we keep updating this index. So here the count is for A, the count is 2, so I need not update it. Again B, it is 2, so it's not unique. Next for C, it is 1, right? So I update this, and the position 5 is less than the int max, so I put this 5. And next I go to D, right? So it is also only first occurrence, present only once. So and the index 2 is less than 5, so I update this to 2. So similarly I go entirely till Z. So then I have this result, right? This result can be returned.